Breakroom is the B2B virtual world designed to meet the networking, engagement, and social needs of conference and event organizers. It combines all the features of real-world events in one customizable platform. Delegates can explore conference halls, networking with each other and taking impromptu product demos at exhibition booths. Event managers can move the audience around the event with simple tools to sit people in different talks and move speakers and panelists to the stage. Breakroom's video conferencing tools, spatial voice zones, and avatar-driven environments make it easy to spontaneously connect, creating meetings on the fly and connecting with colleagues, clients, and new prospects in-world. The immersive nature of our 3D environments replicate the atmosphere and excitement of in-person events, with unlimited potential for creative and unique brand engagements. You can manage users through self-registration, or by importing a delegate list through a single sign-on integration, or using our Eventbrite integration, which makes it easy to offer free or paid tickets. Breakroom is an off-the-shelf solution with an easy-to-use dashboard that any non-technical user can engage with to customize and manage their world. Sign up and you can open the doors to your world today. Or contact our team for more information.